Welcome to the UltFone channel. One of the headlining new features with iOS 17 is a smart landscape display mode for iPhone when it's charging, coming with different clock faces, widgets, access to photos, and more. Next, I will teach you the specific operation demonstration. First, find StandBy in the settings and turn it on. Next, connect your iPhone to a power source. Put the phone horizontally. You can see the updated landscape interface. By swiping left and right, and swiping up and down, you can change the display form. Or press and hold the screen to change freely. If you encounter the problem of StandBy stuck after updating, you can use UltFone iOS system repair to downgrade. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.